I'm just coming back, yeah, and I seen like, it's not even the first time this is happening. Coming back, yeah, seeing a group of girls like talking, and they're talking about us, man. They're saying, us, man, yeah, some of us like are trash. Some of us are like waste of time. And even some of them even said, yeah, these guys are not even men. They're boys with beards. BWB, boys with beards. That's cheeky though. And I'm just like doing my own thing, pretending like I'm not listening to their conversation, but I'm hearing what they're saying. And it's like, some of the stuff they're saying, nah, it's deep, you know, it's deep. It's deep. Us, man, we can't be doing that. We can't be doing that to the girls, man. That's cheeky. You act like you're serious. You act like you're interested. And then you get what you get the ting. And after you get the ting, you go your own way. That's cheeky. You've just made her feel like like you're interested. And then suddenly you get the ting and then you bounce. Nah, that's cheeky though. We can't be doing that. Come on, guys. We can't be doing that. I'm here listening to their conversation. It's deep though. If I was a girl and a man was doing that to me, nah, man, that's not right. You saw what I posted before. I posted on my Instagram before that. Girls already have a lot of, cycles going on. And they already have different, natural cycles going on. They don't need any man-made ones. They don't need any man-made emotional cycles and that. Come on, guys. Come on, man. It's like, and what we're doing, yeah, guys, listen. What we're doing is actually affecting other man. Listen, if you're talking to a girl, right, and you're not serious with her, and you're messing her about, and you're doing this and you're doing that, and you're messing her about, yeah, guess what that does? It creates an impression in her mind of us, man. And then another man comes to talk to her, like, genuine, like, interested, like, pure heart and that. And then, like, she's like, nah, you're just like other man. Because, like, the other guy, he used the same kind of, yeah, he did the same thing. And then after he got the ting, after he got the ting, he got off. Before you know it, he's not replying my text. Before you know it, he's not, you know what I mean? That's not right, though. That's cheeky. And so when a guy comes, like, with a clean heart and that, trying to really get to know her, seriously, like, genuinely, like, mature, trying to get to know her, it's like, she's like, nah. That's not right, man. It's not right, man. Come on, man. I don't even think I have enough time to talk about this. We need to maybe have like a conference or something, or like an event or something where we can just sit as lads and have a chat. Because this ain't right, man. Because we can't keep going like this. We can't have the girls calling us trash, calling us boys with beards. Nah, not even man. Boys with BWB, calling us waste of time, calling us, they're not even serious, they're not even ready. Some of the guys nowadays not even ready. Nah, man, we can't be having that. Come on, guys, we can't be having that. That's enough, man. Sorry I have to talk like this, but I just felt like it, innit? I just felt like it. Just think about it, guys, yeah? Just think about what we're doing, man. And it's not just about you, though. This is what I'm saying. It's not even just about you. It's about the example you're setting. The example you're setting to the next generation. It's not even about you. It's about the example you're setting to other man, the example you're setting to younger man, the example you're setting to the ladies, the impressions you're giving them that, okay, all men are like this, all men are like that. Because that's not true. I know I'm not Mr. Innocent, but yo, I'm not trying to take advantage out here. I know I talk. But, yo, I'm not out to take advantage. Yo, it stops at talking, yo. You can't, yo, I talk. But, yeah, after talking, yo, if I'm not ready, yo, I'm not ready because, yo, I get to know, I'm just about building friendships, building relationships. Well, friendships, relationship a bit more serious. Building good friendships, yo. It's not even that serious. But when you start doing it with ulterior motive, and you're trying to get the ting, you know what I mean by the ting, you're trying to get the ting. Nah, then that's just like, That's cheeky. That's cheeky though, guys. Come on, man. Let's be serious about it. I'll talk more later, yo. Have a good day, all right? Bless you.